and welcome to topic 3 of the Organizing and Accessing Information class. In today's video, we're going to give an overview of the Physical Search Project, one of 2 projects that make up topic 3. The Physical Search Project is going to have us use our new understanding of search and organization concepts in a physical, real-world search. In other words, we're going shopping. The detailed instructions are in Moodle, but what we're doing, generally speaking, is paying attention to how many categories and subcategories an item is organized by in a particular box store or department store's organization. So for example, a top that we've chosen at a department store might be organized into, tops, and then organized into the current season, say spring fashions. The designer, maybe it's Ralph Lauren, the contemporary fashion section where that's set out, and then the women's department of the shopping store. If we're looking at something like a nail in a hardware store, we might find a 16-pound finishing nail in with the other finishing nails, in with the nails in general, in the hardware section of the tool section of the construction section of the overall store. And what I want you to do is to pay attention to each of those categories and subcategories. Bring your phone with you or camera and take a picture of each of the navigation aids you find that get you from that one item you've selected. You know, whether it's the top or whether it's the finishing nail or an HDMI cable in an electronics store, whatever you find. Just grab some sort of picture or image of each of the navigation aids that the store has set out for you to get from walking in the front door to that particular item. Then when you get home, you're going to take those images and use them to illustrate about a 400-word essay in which you talk about each of those categories and subcategories and how they're similar and how they're different and how they help someone who's looking for that item or that information get from the beginning of the search to the end. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me. There are written, more detailed instructions in Moodle, but I think we're going to have some fun with this one, so enjoy.